pressure sensor. It's made with German GE brand silicon sensor cell. Its biggest range is 3000 bar. Yeah, it can be very big range. Here the connector is baked in. The thread here is G1 for all others. We can design the size for you according to your requirement or your installation space. This one, silicon sensor. For silicon sensor, except this appearance, we also have this appearance. This one is small flash diagram. Small flash diagram, I can show you. Hello, welcome to our live stream. This one, it's the small flash diagram, silicon sensor. You can see the small flash diagram. This one is used to measure the sticky liquid. Yeah, to measure sticky liquid. And here the diagram can also be bigger, depending on your requirement. This one, silicon sensor. Except this small flash diagram, we also have bigger flash diagram. I can show you. This one. This one is our big flash diagram. You can see the diagram is bigger. This one. Big flash diagram. Its max range can be very big. Hello, Rogers. Welcome to our live stream. You have interest in the level sensor, right? We manufacture pressure sensor and level sensor. In my hand, this one is a pressure sensor and it's a big flash diagram pressure sensor. Okay, now I will introduce you our level sensor. I will introduce you our level sensor. Look at this one. This one is our hot sealing submersible level sensor. Its diameter is 27 millimeter. Look at this one, 27 millimeter. It's fully welded, no leaking technology, no O-ring inside, so it can use for many years. For this sensor, its max range is 500 meters. The output is 4 to 20 mA, 0 to 10 volt or others. And the sensor housing size can be designed. It can be bigger than this one or smaller than this one, depending on your requirements. Here, the waterproof grade is IP68. This one, submersible level sensor. The output can also be RS485, depending on your requirements. Except this diameter, we also have smaller size. I can show you. This one, the diameter is 22.5 millimeter. Smaller diagram. This one. It's 22.5, and except this one, we also have smaller size. I can show you. This one is 19 millimeter. You can see the difference. They are used to measure the water in the underground pipe, in the pipe to measure the underground water. You can see they are small diameter sensor. Except this diameter, we also have a smaller size. I can show you. This one is 16 millimeter. 16 millimeter. Except 16, we can also make this 30 millimeter. 30 millimeter need a very high technology. You can see its diameter is very, very small. The PCB board cannot put into this sensor housing, so the PCB board is put here. If you need to put the PCB board inside this sensor housing, is also okay for us. This. So we can make many different diameter, like 27 millimeter and 22 millimeter and 19 millimeter, 60 millimeter, and also this 30 millimeter. We can make many different sizes for you. So, which one do you have interest? Can you send me your requirements by the message? Please give me your WhatsApp number. Please give me your WhatsApp number so I can send you more information, okay? Hello, Rogers. Are you still there? Rogers from Australia, and this friend is from Oman. Okay, except this level sensor, we also make ultrasonic sensor. I can show you. Look at this one. This one is our ultrasonic sensor. Okay, except this appearance, we can also make other appearance, and the ultrasonic sensor color can be blue. Yeah, we can design for you. For this sample, its range is 10 meters. The output is RS-45 or 4 to 20 mA. This one, ultrasonic sensor. For this ultrasonic sensor, its max range can be 20 meters. Yeah, can be 20 meters. This one, ultrasonic sensor. Its protection grade is IP67. You can see its appearance, ultrasonic sensor. Okay. If you want to measure fuel, we have fuel sensor. I can show you. This one is our fuel level sensor. You can see this lens is very small, very short. Its length is 100. It's 100 millimeter. So it's yeah, it's 10 centimeter. You can see it's very short, but we can design for you. This one, fuel level sensor. It's used in the tank to measure the fuel level in the fuel tank. Okay, except this lens, we also have other lens. I can show you. This one is longer than that one. Hello, Owen. Welcome to our live stream. Yeah, Owen from US. Yeah. We have many customers in US. Okay, look at this one. This one is our fuel level sensor. It's used to put in the fuel tank to measure the fuel level. We can design the lens for you according to your requirement. And there is a float ball here. Fuel level sensor. Okay, now I want to show you our pressure sensor. Look at this one. This one is our hot sealing ceramic pressure sensor. Ceramic pressure sensor. It's made with Metalux ceramic sensor cell. The sensor housing can be designed. We can design for you. The connector part can be Minidin or others. And the thread can also be designed here. For this sample, the thread is NPT14. It can also be G14 or others, or NPT12. Look at this one, ceramic sensor. Except this appearance, we also have other appearance. Look at this one. This one is M12 connector. Here the thread is female. So this one is used in the air conditioning or refrigeration. This one, ceramic sensor. Hello, Oman. Hello, Owen. Can you send a message to me so I can send you more information of these products, okay? Hello, Owen Henry from US. Can you send me a message in Talk to Streamer so I can share you the data sheet of this ceramic sensor, okay? This one, ceramic sensor. Except these two connector, we can also make other connector like this one, Packard. We can also make the keyboard direct, depending on your requirement. Okay. Except this ceramic sensor, we also make silicon sensor. I can show you. Hi, this is from Grace. I'm Leah. We talked in Alibaba today. So now you see me. Okay, now I want to show you our silicon pressure sensor. For this silicon pressure sensor, it's made with German imported GE brand silicon sensor cell. Its max range is 3000 bar. The output is 4 to 20 mA, 0 to 10 volt, RS-485 or others, depending on your requirement. And the sensor size can be designed according to your requirement or your specification. Here, the thread is generally G14 or others. This one, silicon sensor. For silicon sensor, except this kind of thread, we can also make others. I can show you. For this one is a small flash diagram. It's also silicon. They are fully welded, no leaking technology, no O-ring inside. Look at this one. This one is made with small flash diagram. It's used to measure the sticky liquid like milk, juice, or others. This one, silicon sensor. Except that this small flash diagram, we also have a bigger one. I can show you. We also have a bigger one. I can show you like this one. You can see its diagram is bigger. You can see it's bigger. It's bigger. This one is also used to measure the sticky liquid like milk, juice, and others. We can design for you. We can design the diagram size for you. And there are cooling fans here. So this one is suitable to measure the high temperature liquid. And here the connector is baked in. It can also be cable direct or others. We can design for you this one. These are the silicon sensor. Hi, so are you still there? Yeah, I know that you have interest in the ultrasonic sensor. Now I will show you. Yeah, this one is the one you want. This one, ultrasonic sensor. For this sample, its range is 10 meters. The output is 4 to 20 mA. Look at this one. Look at this one. You can see its appearance. This one is a sample. Yeah. The keyboard can be like this, or it can be very, very long, depending on your requirement. Look at this one, ultrasonic sensor. Its protection grade is IP67. It's non-contact. Yeah, it's used on the river. It's used to measure the water level. It's above the river or the lake to measure the water level. Yeah, ultrasonic sensor. For this ultrasonic sensor, the max range can be 20 meters. Yeah, the range can be many different, just depending on your requirement, like 3 meters, 2 meters, 5 meters, 10 meters, and others. Yeah, depending on your requirement, we can customize for you, because you know that we are OEM manufacturer, so we can customize the product for you, depending on your requirement. So just let me know your requirement, so we can customize product for you, and I can share you the data sheet of this ultrasonic sensor. Actually, except this appearance ultrasonic sensor, we also have other appearance. Here I do not have a sample because the sample was sent to a customer. He needed it urgently. Except this color, we also have other color like the blue color and the gray color. Yeah, we have many different ultrasonic sensor depending on your requirement. Look at this one, ultrasonic sensor. Okay, if you want to measure the fuel level, we also have the fuel level sensor. I can show you. I can show you the fuel level sensor. Look at this one. This one is our fuel level sensor. The lens can be designed. This one is used to measure the fuel level in the fuel tank. To measure the fuel level, except this one, we also have the explosion-proof Yeah, like this one. It can be made as explosion-proof water fuel level sensor. Yeah, explosion-proof fuel level sensor to measure the fuel level in the fuel tank. It will be made as explosion-proof. Yeah, to measure the fuel level. It's fully welded, no leaking technology. It's made with German imported GE brand silicon sensor cell. This one. When you measure the fuel level, the range is generally very small, like 1 meter, 1.5 meter, 2 meters, 3 meter, like that. Yeah, this one. Level sensor. If you want to measure water level, we also have. Hi, Vessel. Do you have interest in this level sensor, except the ultrasonic sensor? I think maybe you have interest in this level sensor. For this level sensor, its diameter is 22.5 millimeter. It's used to measure It's used to measure water level in the river or in the lake or in the deep well. This one. Level sensor. It's fully welded. It's fully welded. No leaking technology. No O-ring inside. So it's sealed very well. The water cannot get inside. Its max range can be 500 meters. So please let me know what is your measure range, so we can make the suitable product for you. And we are glad to provide you sample to test. Yeah, this one. Its diameter is 22.5 millimeter. Except this one, we also have a smaller size. Hello, Rogers. Hello, Owen. Okay, except this 22.5 millimeter, we also have smaller size. I can show you this one. Its diameter is 19 millimeter. It's generally put in a 1-inch pipe to measure the underground water. You can see it's fully welded, no leaking technology, no O-ring inside. It has very good quality. It can use many years, like 8 to 10 years. Because it's fully welded technology, no O-ring inside. The water cannot get inside, so it can work very well. And it can use for many, many years. This one. Except this 19 millimeter, we also have smaller size. Look at this one. It's 60 millimeter. 60 millimeter. It's smaller size. It's also fully welded, no leaking technology. Hello, Roger. Welcome to our live stream. We can also make the minimum one. Minimum one is 30 millimeter. It's also fully welded, no leaking technology. For this 30 millimeter, it needs very high technique. You can see its diameter is very small. It's very hard to weld the sensor housing and the sensor cell. Yeah, but our technician can do it because we have very high technology. You can see it's made very well. The PC board is put here because you can see the sensor housing size is very small. The PC board cannot be put inside, so it is put here. If you want the PC board put here, it can also be put inside. It have our special technique. Hello, Owen. Hello, Vessel. Are you still there? Hello, my dear friend. Please send me a message, okay? I found a friend come to US and have interest in our radar sensor. So can you give me more information so I can send you the data sheet of our radar sensor? We can make a pressure sensor, level sensor, ultrasonic sensor, radar sensor, and the flow meter. Yeah, we can also make flow meter. Please let me know your requirement so that a suitable product can be recommended to you. Hello, Owen, are you still there? Hello, Vessel. Okay, Vessel, now I will send you a message. Okay, I will send you a message. Hello, Owen. Hello, Vessel. Can you send me a message? Can you send me a message in Alibaba? Okay. Hello, Owen. You have interest in our pressure sensor, right? We can customize the size according to your requirements. Hello, Vessel. Thank you so much. Yeah, you give me good comments. Very good. Thank you. Now I will reply you. Okay. Thank you so much. I hope we can establish a business relationship. Okay. I hope that you can buy the ultrasonic sensor from us. Okay. Hello, Vessel. Are you still there? Okay, later I will send you a message in Alibaba about our ultrasonic sensor, okay?